lamb chops for dinner, you all. Angela Gilbert Cameron here, the cooking side of Angela Gilbert Cameron Prayer Dynasty. I was going to save these until the New Year's dinner. I was going to prep for after I do communion in the 2023 year, God's will, because we never know. God's plan is his plan. I'm going to cook them tonight, y'all. Just feel lamb chops for dinner. This is my broiler. I haven't seasoned them. I've just washed them off. The future videos that I'm going to release are definitely dedicated to my sister-in-law, Nicole Barnes, Nikki. Rest in peace, you all. This lady was on dialysis for years. God led myself and my ex to bless her with my Ford Expedition, Eddie Bauer, leather interior, burgundy and tan, to help her get back and forth to the doctor because she didn't have a way to get back and forth to the doctor in dialysis. This woman housed my children, some of my children whom we're praying to come back to God. I just say it like that. Allow them to shower and get clean on many occasions after the Lord had moved me from the area. So these next videos I'm going to release, especially going into 2023, her birthday's in February as well as mine. We're going to dedicate and tribute them to the life and legacy of Nicole Barnes, Nikki. Hallelujah, my sister-in-law forever, sister. Rest in peace. I haven't seasoned these lamb chops. I am getting ready to season them. I don't know what I'm going to go into my cabinet and get, but I just want to go ahead and get them in because, like I say, I've got to get ready for Bible study, y'all, at the Poorhouse. Y'all know the Potter's House, Dallas, Texas. So you all be blessed. I'm going to get ready to unleash a lot of videos leading up into 2023. God is moving. We are in the right time. Say it to yourself. Look at yourself in the mirror every day and say, I'm in the right time, in the right place to receive blessings and gain. No pain, no gain. We're getting ready to enter into the gain year. Hallelujah. Some of us have encountered a lot of pain. The gain year. No pain, no gain. Hallelujah. It's gain time. 2023. You all be blessed. Get on the Poorhouse, the Potter's House, Dallas, Texas, you all tonight for Bible study. God bless you all. That Dynasty chick.